What's up? Good morning, everybody. Peterson Outdoor Films coming back at you with another film. It is the 2022 Wisconsin gun deer season opener today. It is 4:24 a.m. I'm just getting ready at home, packing up. I got my lunch here. Oh yeah, I'm gonna eat good today. 2 sandwiches, an apple, chips, homemade venison jerky from my neighbor, Sam. I am pumped up, but let me tell you guys something. It is cold today. Very, very cold. Look at this. I got 1, 2, 3 shirts on and this Patagonia. I've got 3 jackets laying out in my garage. So I am going to get on the road and I am going to dress warm today. I'm pumped. We'll see what happens. I am sitting in a permanent with a heater, but it's not insulated. So, you know, I don't really have all the amenities that some people do. Still gonna be cold, still gonna have a lot of wind in my face. Pumped, we gotta get some headgear on the ground, yeah! Alright guys, so this year I'm trying something new. Check out my sweet cardboard decoy. Yeah, that's right, big fat doe. Man, I'm not even ashamed of that. I sit in a spot, you guys have seen it before. I'm shooting down this lane, I could shoot 300 yards, and I'll tell you what, those deer, they just cross like this. And if there's nothing there, they just keep going, you know? So I'm hoping that I can get something to catch their eye when they come out, stop, you know, they're gonna look, at least give me a shot. So it might work against me, I don't know, but a lot of people are using decoys nowadays on videos. Now granted, they're using 3D decoys. This is obviously 2D, but I mean, my logic is if they're at 150 yards, they're not gonna know the difference. So I don't know. We'll see if we can even get the thing to stand up. It's snowing and it's blowing outside, and we'll see. Little update for you guys. I am on the road.
Right out of bed and the wife says, "Stop making so much noise. You're waking me up. Go to sleep."
I just had to do it. It's tradition. The 30-point buck. That's what's going to hit the dirt today. The 30-point buck, I tell you what.
Of course, then I couldn't watch the Packers.
God, I sure hope.
Gosh, I like the Packers. I'd do anything for the Packers. Who can forget Vince Lombardi, you know, back in the glory years? It's my favorite time of year. I love to feast my buns, chasing trophy deer. But don't clap your hands to the stomping of the feet, cause yeah, he's like me. He can't keep a steady beat, no. Come on, get with the beat. I got a great big knife, cause the hunting is my life. It's my chance to...
Sunshine, blizzard. Where is she? Right there. Right on her. Yep. Stop her.
Matt.
Oh, you got shot her. No, I didn't. No, you're far back. shooting the shit. 3 does come out to our left. I saw 17 deer already this morning. So 17, 18, 19. That's 20 deer. I was letting them go. I didn't want to shoot a doe unless I could positively identify it was a mature doe. And that deer was like 30 yards away, so... Dude.
Folks, look at, I came in here just to get warm with Jake, and we seen one way down there, what, 250, 270?
Yeah.
And then Jake and me are talking. I look out past Jake out the left window, and I'm like, Jake, there's a deer standing there looking at us. He's like, there's 3. I'm like, oh, even better. The first one looked a little young. Then the camera, sorry, it wasn't the best, but it was like a mad dash to get the camera on it. So, but I would say she's done.
It's about 1 o'clock. We wanted to go look for this doe before it gets too late because we're going to sit tonight. So we 30, 40 yards from the box blind and got some good red blood here on the ground. So we're going to track her real quick and just locate her. Justin's got a doe down too. So this has been a great opening morning to the 2022 gun deer season. We're tracking this deer and we actually kicked one up unfortunately, but there's deer all over the place. They're on the move right now, so I'm gonna get back to the stand, but at least we've got this located. Now we know where to find her later when it gets dark. Catch you guys soon. It's lunchtime, guys. Lunchtime in the stand. I just shot a doe about 20 minutes ago. I'm just sitting here shooting the shit.
Quick Trip special. If you ever want to know, if you want a good dry sandwich without mayonnaise, go to Quick Trip. You can't beat it.
Dude, that thing just looks nasty.
Look at the meat in that bait. That sucker's packed. He just has a little weenie sandwich from home.
You're gonna need like a gallon of water after that.
Take a bite and choke to death. Hey man, whatever. Shoot deer, eat some food. Why not? If they're eating, we're gonna eat.
Deer are moving all day. It's cold and they gotta feed, so
Sucker people.
I'm gonna laugh if we're just sitting here eating sandwiches and deer walk out. Like, it would not surprise me one bit.
Not all here.
No.
All day.
Alright guys, well, we'll be back with you in a little bit.